Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Trump coin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and looking at the 4-hour chart. Of course, we have our history here for Trump coin, which was deleted by the chart on all the chart, by the way. And yeah, due to maybe two reasons, I don't want to enter again with this debate. It can be, of course, a testing purpose here it was, or it could be a real money and it was deleted later on. I don't know why, to match all the charts. But however, this in case it was real money, it is, of course, it should be still there. And we saw, of course, the 0.23 was respected with the price action while hitting the wave 4 here. In case we are in 1 2 3 4, your wave 4, of course, here has respected the 0.23 taken from this bottom of this wave 2. So I cannot really right now remove it or not rely on it until, of course, further evidence that it has nothing to do with it. However, continuing on this chart for Trump coin, we are probably in an impulse toward the upside 1 2 3 4 and a 5, of course, for higher prices. As you said, for your wave 4, you would like it to range here in 3 corrective waves. As you can see, your wave 2 before it was, of course, a little bit longer. So you would like to reach at least the same time for a wave 1 in range here. So far we are very close to finish this impulse toward the downside 1 2 3 4 5, meaning finishing, of course, a B and a C, and probably in the the less common target, of course, as a fib time 0.618, and entering the blue zone here where we would like to finish, of course, our correction. Probably now the perfect fib time could be a 1-to-1 fib time here, but is this from here we can start to say, or from today we can start to say, we are ready regarding the time to move toward the upside. But basically one more low would be perfect, of course, to finish this 1 2 3 4 and a 5 as a wave C in A, B and a C, and start to move for higher prices. If we take a look, of course, a little bit closer on the 1-hour chart here, we can see, of course, on the 1-hour chart we have our labels for a wave 4. We have reached the 1-to-1 fib level. Taken in case that this is a W, X, and a Y, we have passed the 1-to-1 fib level and retraced from it, and now coming back to it again. So I would say this zigzag, in case this is a zigzag here, it has been finished here. Yeah, it has already took the target. I will remove this so far. So because we saw, of course, lower prices, and probably we're gonna take this scenario, which is much more longer a little bit, entering the blue zone, and of course after the 0.618, finishing, of course, this wave C in 1 2 3 4 and a 5, after having here an A, B and a C, of course, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down, which will continue, of course, is this a correction. Now, probable target, of course, taken from these 3 waves. Let's consider this is a wave A and then B, of course, and a wave C toward the downside as 1 2 3 4 5 for a longer wave 5 here, extended wave 5. It might be reaching the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, as a correction at $17.8. Now my target is, of course, the 1.618 first for a wave 3. As you can see, it was very, very close to it, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Maybe the wave 5 will reach the $25. And of course, regarding this support here that we see, of course, from this correction, which is a wave 4 for your wave 3 here, which it might play a major role also as technical support, which is in confluence with this price at $25, taking the low as well, finishing a wave C, and of course an A, B and a C, and probably start to move toward the upside, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation and confirmation for higher prices. I don't want to, of course, to remind you always, but yeah, you need always to take care with this chart, because of course it is very, very risky, and of course it is very profitable. If we move, of course, just to take the all-time high, you're gonna get, of course, 200 profit, but if you move toward the downside as well, it is very, very risky that it can, of course, liquidate your whole portfolio. And yeah, it is possible that to reach the 0.5, of course, for a wave 4, because we are still open for this fib level, which is a common target for, also can be for a wave 4, which can lose you 63% from your portfolio. So yeah, be careful with it. Very profitable, but very risky at the same time. You need to have a plan and good strategy to enter into this coin. Now, if we take a closer look what's going on at the last move, of course, for Trump coin here, we can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably, but as you can see, your wave 5, it does not look like really finished. And yeah, it looks like 3 waves. And also your wave 1 is the same. I can say 1, 2, 3 or ABC. I don't see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 4 has already interfered here in your wave zone 1, and of course we cannot count this as an impulse. Also, you cannot see a contracting diagonal for leading diagonal. And 1, 2, 1, 2, you would like to see a wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 not coming back to this price action. And of course, in this case scenario, I would say, of course, this is still corrective. I would say it is a W probably and an X and a probably Y, maybe moving for a little bit higher. And then, of course, continuation toward the downside again for last wave of 5 for this impulse, where we see, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, another scenario can be that you have topped here for your wave 4, because regarding the time of your wave 2, it is already a double time taken from this wave 2. So that looks already perfect for a wave 4. It can be, of course, a WXY and somehow a zigzag WX and a Y somehow in another zigzag. Very, very possibly even a 3 structure as W and then X here probably as a running flat, but it looks like very, very choppy. But yeah, a lot of overlap. So definitely this is kind of W, X, and a Y finished. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 5 here has started to unfold, as you can see, because we are impulsive and we're looking for a wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5 to finish your wave 5 probably around, or yeah, less than $25, even a little bit more could be potential. Yeah, to watch also the targets 1-to-1 fib level at 17 or $18, I would say, which is a perfect 1-to-1 fib level from your A and then B and then C exactly here. Hitting the 1-to-1 fib level at $18 would be, of course, much more logic. So, and yeah, entering the blue zone and with these structures and these insight, I would say Trump coin can move toward the high, of course, and taking the all-time high for a wave 5. This wave 5 can, of course, reach, as we saw in the 4-hour chart, can reach the 1-to-1 fib level at $240, which it could be very, very nice price action. Now you have, of course, basically in the history, you have double 1, 2 here. So 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Probably we're going to see how this is going to work related. If it works, yeah, then we're going to keep it. If not, we're going to remove it as well later on. But we're going to see how the reaction will be from there. So basically 0.618 is uncommon target, 160 almost the perfect target for a wave 5 taken, of course, from this wave 1 to here could be the $240. And of course, yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna be later on if we're gonna reach, of course, for higher in a wave 5 for the yellow scenario. So that was it for Trump coin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.